The isometric screw threads are the worldwide most commonly used type of general-purpose screw thread. They were one of the first international standards agreed when the International Organization for Standardization was set up in 1947. The M designation for metric screws indicates the nominal outer diameter of the screw, in millimeters. Basic profile. The design principles of ISO general-purpose metric screw threads are defined in International Standard ISO 68-1. Each thread is characterized by its major diameter d and its pitch p. Isometric threads consist of a symmetric V-shaped thread. In the plane of the thread axis, the flanks of the V have an angle of 60 degrees to each other. The outermost 1/8 and the innermost 1/4 of the height h of the V shape are cut off from the profile. The relationship between the height h and the pitch p is described by the following equation, or in an external thread, the major diameter mut and the minor diameter mean define maximum dimensions of the thread. This means that the external thread must end flat at mut, but can be rounded out below the minor diameter mean. Conversely, in an internal thread, the major and minor diameters are minimum dimensions, therefore the thread profile must end flat at mean but may be rounded out beyond maj. The minor diameter mean and effective pitch diameter dp are derived from the major diameter and pitch as. Designation: a metric ISO screw thread is designated by the letter M followed by the value of the nominal diameter d and the pitch p, both expressed in millimeters and separated by the multiplication sign, a. If the pitch is the normally used coarse pitch listed in ISO 261 or ISO 262, it can be omitted. Tolerance classes defined in ISO 965-1 can be appended to these designations, if required. External threads are designated by lowercase letter, g or h. Internal threads are designated by uppercase letters, g or h. Preferred sizes: ISO 261 specifies a detailed list of preferred combinations of outer diameter d and pitch p for isometric screw threads. ISO 262 specifies a shorter list of thread dimensions, a subset of ISO 261. The A-OEC pitch is the commonly used default pitch for a given diameter. In addition, one or two smaller A-OEFINE pitches are defined, for use in applications where the height of the normal A-OEC pitch would be unsuitable. The terms A-OEC and A-OEFINE have no relation to the manufacturing quality of the thread. In addition to coarse and fine threads, there is another division of extra fine, or A superfine threads, with a very fine pitch thread. Superfine pitch metric threads are occasionally used in automotive components, such as suspension struts, and are commonly used in the aviation manufacturing industry. This is because extra-fine threads are more resistant to coming loose from vibrations. Standards: International, ISO 68-1, ISO General-Purpose Screw Threads, a Basic Profile, a Metric Screw Threads. ISO 261, ISO General-Purpose Metric Screw Threads, a General Plan. ISO 262, ISO General-Purpose Metric Screw Threads, a Selected Sizes for Screws, Bolts and Nuts. ISO 965, ISO General-Purpose Metric Screw Threads, a Tolerances, ISO 965-1, Principles and Basic Data, ISO 965-2, Limits of Sizes for General-Purpose External and Internal Screw Threads. ISO 965-3, Deviations for Constructional Screw Threads, ISO 965-4, Limits of Sizes for hot-dip galvanized external screw threads to mate with internal screw threads tapped with tolerance position H or G after galvanizing, ISO 965-5, Limits of Sizes for internal screw threads to mate with hot-dip galvanized external screw threads with maximum size of tolerance position H before galvanizing. National, BS 3643, Isometric Screw Threads, ANSI-ASM EB 1.13M, Metric Screw Threads, M Profile, see also. References. Bibliography: Aberg, Eric. Jones, Franklin D. Horton, Holbrook L. Rifle, Henry H., Machinery's Handbook, New York, Industrial Press Incorporated, ISBN A0-8311-2635-3. External links, metric coarse thread dimensions, metric fine thread dimensions, detailed metric thread dimensions.